Yeah.
I'll make my way to the stage. I'll make my way to the stage.
Okay.
We'll run towards the screens.
You run round.
Yeah.
You see a pancake man laying on the floor.
No!
as we left the foyer, Carl's just like
slithering down the hallway. It's fine.
As we left the foyer, Carl's just running out going, we're heroes, we explain later.
I imagine it looks like a sugar glider.
Yeah, basically, yeah. But moving like a snake like this across the floor. You just hear suction as he is slowly going along the floor.
Please
You make your way to the performance.